So if you sell jewelries or you are looking to sell jewelries and you want to find bulk manufacturers or suppliers using Alibaba.com, this video is going to show you how to find bulk manufacturers and suppliers of jewelries from China. So the first thing you need to do is to come to Alibaba.com. So this is Alibaba.com. And this is basically the website that you would use to find manufacturers or suppliers of your jewelries. So you already know the kind of jewelry you want to sell. So you can just come here and search for the particular jewelry. But let's say I do not have an idea of the kind of jewelry I want to sell. So I can just come here. As you can see, we have jewelry for women here. Or you can just come here, search for jewelry. So we have jewelry for women, but let's just keep it broad because we don't really know what we want to sell for now. So you can say jewelry and then you just click on search and we are going to get all the things about jewelries right here on Alibaba. So the trick here is always to find the direct manufacturer or suppliers. All right, and from there you can source from them what they have or what you want to buy. So here we have different types of jewelries already. So you can come to the filter tab here and then you can select the kind of jewelry you want. So you can see maybe fashion jewelry, fashion bracelets, fashion rings and all of that. It does what you want. So you can come down here, you can select the material type. All right, so let's say we want to do copper. So you select copper and then you select the gender that you want. So let's say we want it to be let's say unisex jewelry or just maybe just women. All right, we can say women's jewelry. So this is, of course, if you already know what you want to buy and you just want to find suppliers for specific products. So you can just click on women jewelries. So you want to add all those filters so that you can get refined search instead of combing through everything you have right here. So also you can come here, click on, let's say, verified suppliers. All right, verified suppliers, and then you see all these direct suppliers who are verified. If you wanted manufacturers, you can come here, click on verified manufacturers, and you see manufacturers right there. So we basically have jewelries, and all these people you see here, they are all vendors of different kinds of jewelries. All right, so another thing you might want to do is you want to go through each of this listing because all these things here, they are all company. So let's look at these guys, these EU people. All right, so you can just click on it, and once you click on it, it will take you to the company profile, as you can see right here. So this is a company profile for this company on Alibaba.com. So here we can see their name, EU Boutique Accessories Jewelry Company Limited. All right, so this was verified by this company. All right, so this is a third-party company that inspects this thing. So you can see what they do. They do minor customization, they do DM service, and they do design-based customization. So you can see their factory. All right, you can see their workers and all of that. So if you scroll down, you see their main product. You see what sells better for them. So you can also see their company profile, all their certifications, the research, everything that you need to know. So you can even see their main market where this product will sell better or where they are getting the best or the highest customers from. So you can see that North America is 70%, South America is 10%, Eastern Europe is 5%. All right. So you can see all their newly launched products. In the last year, they launched 100 products and everything. So you can see what they basically sell. But most importantly, you can see some reviews from people who have worked with this company. So this is the entire review from the business. So this is not a product review, this is the store review. All right, so you can see here it says a very fast communication, fast shipping, excellent service, blah blah blah. So you want to go through this if you want, but you can watch videos of what their jewelries actually looks like. If you want to if you like them, you can basically just come and it's up here. If you come back to their profile here, you see their products. You can click here to see a comprehensive list of all the products that they sell, these people. So you can click on products right here. So if you click on product, you can see they have fashion bracelet, fashion necklace, fashion bag, jewelry box. They even have hair accessories, fashion ring, and all of that. So you can basically just select anyone you want. So let's say fashion necklace. So you click on necklace and we should see everything about the necklace that they have. So if you want to transact with this company, you can basically just reach out to them and you can start transacting.